Well, we have some rain moving into the area, although it's looking like it's going to be fairly spotty. Not a whole lot of us going to see it, but still the chance to maybe make a small impact on the morning commute. Right now, radar is looking fairly dry in our area, but if we take a wider look at it, we can see that the northern portion of Minnesota likely seeing a mix of snow and rain pushing in. Temperatures actually reaching their low right about now, so we'll likely see our temperatures rising throughout the rest of the nighttime. By the time a lot of this moisture and precipitation gets into the area, we'll be, for the most part, above freezing. So right now, temperatures across the area near or slightly below freezing, but as we go into the early morning hours, a lot of this rain and snow mix makes it into the area around 2 or 3 in the morning. At that point, most of us will be above freezing, so we'll see a lot of this falling as rain. Even this could be a little bit more ambitious than what we're expecting, just some light sprinkles across the area. There is a very small chance for folks far north of I-94 to possibly see a little bit of a freezing drizzle, but again, by the time most of us wake up in the morning, temperatures are going to be multiple degrees above freezing, so it's not looking to be as impactful on the morning commute. Maybe some slick spots, maybe just being a little bit extra cautious for areas north of I-94. Overall, looking to be a pretty easygoing morning commute. Even as we go into the later morning hours, still going to hold on to some sunshine south of I-90, although that doesn't last forever as cloud coverage continues to spread across the area as we go into the afternoon. By tomorrow evening, then, maybe a couple more sparse areas of very spotty sprinkles moving in, and even later into the late evening in the early overnight period, a couple chances for some very sparse flurries. Overall, accumulation with both the rain and the snow is looking to be on the very minimal end. As far as the high temperatures go, it's still going to be a nice mild one, very similar today, if not maybe a couple degrees warmer than that as well. 46 for the high on Tuesday in La Crosse, 41 in Eau Claire. We will be dealing with extra cloud coverage out there, not nearly as sunny as we were today, so going to be hard to warm up too much more than we saw today, but still the chance for folks further south of I-90 to possibly near 50 degrees. It's also going to be quite breezy out there, not so much in the morning hours, but once we get into the afternoon, we're going to start to see winds blowing around 15 to 20 miles an hour. That gets into that windy category as well. Once we get later into tomorrow night as well, you can see those winds start to shift to be less out of the west-northwest and more northwesterly. By the time we push into Wednesday, then the winds continue to shift, becoming more northerly as we go into Wednesday and still likely blowing quite strong. Especially Wednesday morning, that's when we'll likely see the strongest batch of winds out there, but they really stay pretty steady in that breezy and windy category as we go into Wednesday evening as well. So a breezy couple of days for Tuesday and Wednesday. Those northerly winds are going to make an impact on Wednesday's temperatures as well. While Tuesday, we're still looking to be well above average, around 20 degrees above average. By Wednesday, we'll actually be a couple degrees below average. All the difference all those winds can make. By Thursday and Friday, bump up a little bit, just going to be pretty close to average. So a fairly January-like end to the week after our warm starts. But then by the weekend, as you can see, temperatures dive and they'll likely stay there for at least a couple of days, with highs staying in the teens through the upcoming weekend and into next week. Some of those mornings we could also see sub-zero low temperatures, all with some fresh snowfall on the ground too, as we have some more snow moving in on Thursday.
So you're from around